Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular appliances in the market. In the left half of the screen, we have the air fryers, and in the right half, we have the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts and ideas, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Let's get started. Both appliances use rapid air circulation technology to fry food without excess fat. However, air fryers require low-calorie cooking spray, while COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo does not. Hence, in terms of healthier cooking, we have to give the point to the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo. Air fryers come with an adjustable dial for temperature control that ranges from 80 to 200 degrees, whereas the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo has 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast, and temperature settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With more options to choose from, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo wins this category. COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo has a 26-quart capacity and can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken in one layer evenly. On the other hand, air fryers such as the one we have here do not have such large capacity. Hence, COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo wins this category. COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo allows you to control the appliance via the VSync app on your smartphone and also Alexa or Google Assistant. Unfortunately, the air fryer does not come with such options. Hence, COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo takes the cake here. Air fryers range from a lower price point, but they do not have the same functionality as the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo comes with a higher price tag, but it has more than 12 functions and some unique features that justify the price. Hence, we cannot declare a clear winner for this category, as both products provide unique value to customers at different price points. And there you have it. We hope this video comparison has helped you in deciding which appliance suits your needs best. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative product reviews like this. Thank you for watching.